Hey guys, good day, welcome back to my video. If you are my new follower, new subscriber, thank you for following this page. In this video, I am going to be treating my hair for hair growth. So I am going to be working with rice. So I will be working with a bit of rice, okra, and aloe vera. Okay, these are the three ingredients that I'm going to be working with today. Okay, so some people, I used to get a lot of questions. Some people are asking the name of okra, so I don't know the language you are, so I don't know the country you are living in, so I don't know how you guys call okra. Okay, I know it as okra. Okay, so that's it. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing now, I am going to add water to my rice because I am going to be washing the rice and okra. Okay, the pot that I'm going to be working with. I am going to be cooking the rice and okra, okay, together. So I'm going to wash this rice, okay. So I don't want the rice to be much, okay. So I'm going to be adding the rice in here, just a bit of rice. So I'll leave it to cook for like 5 minutes before adding in my okra. So guys, I am going to be washing my okra, okay. This is for massive hair growth. Okra work a lot in terms of hair growth. It helps to boost your hair for hair growth, makes your hair soft, okay, because sometimes natural hair is very hard to deal with, you know. So I'm going to be slicing everything together, all right, because I will add it to my rice. You can still boil yours separately, but I don't have that time now, so I want to cook everything together. The rice is ready. Yes, it's ready. So it's time to add in our okra. So I'll still leave it to cook for like 5 minutes, okay. So I'll leave it for 1 minute. Then after 1 minute, I am going to blend, okay. So I will leave it to cool down a bit, okay, before I will blend, okay. I'm going to be cutting my aloe vera. I'm going to wash it. I'm going to be removing this stuff here, so it's crashed a lot, okay. So you don't need it. So it's the gel we are searching for, okay. So guys, I want to blend. So we have to save it. If you have a very clean stockings, you are free to use it, okay, or a cheap cloth, okay, or a clean hair tie. You are still free to use a clean hair tie, all right. So guys, are you seeing it? So this is it. I am going to be adding olive oil. So if you have a coconut oil, so if it's good on your hair, you are free to use it, or any hair growth oil of your choice, okay. It's time to add in our olive oil, 3 tablespoons. So the next thing that I'm going to be adding in is honey. Honey helps a lot. It tends to strengthen. It helps to strengthen the hair and also boost hair for hair growth, helps to take off pigmentation. I'm going to be stirring everything together, okay. Honey works a lot in terms of pigmentation, okay. If your hair is crashing, you're inching, having some issues with your hair, so just go and use honey. You have to mix it with a deep condition, okay. So any deep condition of your choice, any deep condition that you are using, you are free to be adding honey to it, okay. So this is it. So I want to apply it now on my daughter hair. Stay tuned.